Risto's camera ran out of space. But up next on our installation is this guy right here. This is called Sika Sarnafil. It also has an R value, so it also helps insulate the rooftop. But its other main purpose is a waterproofing membrane. This means if it rains, that this guy will not get wet. The thing about this type of insulation is that if it gets wet, it starts conducting heat. So it has to be waterproof using this. That brings me to our next waterproofing. This is the high-tech paint. This also has insulation capabilities, and it also waterproofs. We are going to paint that on top of this structural grade sheathing board, which also has an R value. If you look closely, you can see that it's APA rated sheathing. So we're going to paint it on top of that. It's also going to increase the insulation capabilities of the polyiso and the whole roofing system, and it's also going to be waterproof when we put the paint on top of it. So that pretty much sums up all our insulation right now. Now as far as the testing goes, right now we only have the concrete on the roof. Up next we are going to do the polyiso and the Sarnafil. After that, it is going to be the polyiso, the APA rated sheeting, and the high-tech paint. And for a last test, we are going to compare the polyiso, the Sarnafil, and the high-tech on top. So in other words, 2 layers of waterproofing and insulation on top of the polyiso. And we're hoping to see a definite cost benefit to any one of the alternatives, including the Sarnafil on top of the high-tech.